Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Swati. So guys, right now I am at Veerbhadra temple, which is also known as Lepakshi temple, and one of the most prominent thing about Lepakshi temple is its hanging pillar. You heard that right. This temple has a pillar which doesn't touch the ground.
The mysterious secret of hanging pillar is what attracts the major chunk of tourists to Veerbhadra temple in Lepakshi village of Andhra Pradesh, which makes it a popular weekend destination from Bangalore and Hyderabad. Well, it is indeed interesting to understand why the hanging pillar was built at Lepakshi temple during the 16th century. An engineer marvel in itself, the hanging pillar was built in such a way that it acts as a support for the ceiling and the other 69 carved pillars of Veerbhadra temple and still not touch the ground. They wanted to build the pillar this way to showcase the technical advancement of the time. My inquisitiveness to see this hanging pillar was so high that I didn't enter any other part of the temple but rather preferred seeing it first. Seeing the hanging pillar at the Lepakshi temple astonished me, as I found that it doesn't hang anymore and rather touch the ground from one side. It is a popular belief that a piece of cloth or a newspaper can be passed through this pillar to check if it passes through all the sides. Someone told me that if a cloth passes through this pillar, a wish is granted. Now when I tried doing the same, this is what I observed about the hanging pillar.
So guys, I am going to try out whether this cloth passes through the hanging pillar or not. Let's see. Is this passing through?
No.
It will not.
Stuck from here. My finger is going.
The British officer during the pre-independence era tried to make modification to the hanging pillar in order to understand how this pillar stands off the ground without any support. In process to understand the making of hanging pillar, they tried to shift this pillar, which left it tilted from one corner. It was not feasible to move this pillar at all, as the other pillars inside the Veerbhadra temple rested on its support, and that's how the hanging pillar got impacted. Having said this, I will urge you to go and see this marvel because it truly showcases the talent and brilliant minds that our country had during the time when technology wasn't even present, and still they were able to build a pillar which still leaves you mesmerized by its first sight. Please leave a comment below and let me know what you thought of this video. And guys, please do subscribe to the channel to remain connected, and I'm going to see you super soon.